In this video, I'm going to take you through Google Sitekit. Now, this has got no analytics setup, so we're going to log into the back end of this page. We will grab our logins, which appear to already be there, which is great. We're going to go to Plugins and Add, Google Sitekit. We'll install as soon as it comes up. And we're going to activate. This is now activated, so we can hit the startup button. It's also located up there. We will give Google our details and we'll sign in with our account. Now remember, you want to have Search Console and Analytics access already set up. We are going to say yes to all of these. We're going to verify site ownership, which Google's doing now. Once it's done it for all properties, so that's going to save you a ton of time. We're going to turn on Matrix, we're going to set up Search Console, and finally we're going to set up Google Analytics. Now, if you see setup and you just need to connect to an existing one, same thing. There's no real big difference there. Alrighty, this is now searching for the analytics service. For these guys, we're putting them all under the same GA4 account. Now this is Willow Children's Nursery, but we're just going to call it Willow. And we're going to set up a new property, because this one, we're putting these all under the same. You might not always need to do it. And we're going to click Configure Analytics. Now they're going to need access to this, so we'll hit Proceed, we'll log in again. We'll provide them the 7 services that they need access to. It's going to have a little think. And GA is now connected. So much quicker than this used to be. Great. Now if we have a look here, what you'll see is Search Console's connected, Analytics, Page Speeds, Insights is connected. Just one more thing to add, and that is Tag Manager. So we're going to go through here. I've already got admin access to the Tag Manager account we set up for these guys. So we're going to go through here. Actually, in this instance, I think what we've done is just created one called All KFG. So let's see if this will work for us. That looks good. Let's set them up under a new container just to be sure. And we'll confirm. Proceed. They'll probably need my logins again. Yep. Again, we're doing something a bit advanced here. Normally you would just connect one straight site. It's just that we have 5 or 6 different sites sitting under the same umbrella. Congratulations, you're all set up. Wow, that was easy. So let's go into Search Console. Let's now go and look for Willow. Hey, there it is. And let's go to this one, because this is the one that we just set up. It's still getting its data. Let's add our users, because these are people from my team that are going to want access to it. So let's give Rafa access, and let's give Diego access. For now, I'm not going to give anyone else access. And that's fantastic. It's collecting data and will be done in the next 24 hours. It'll also be populated into here. So we'll go back to settings quickly, have a look. Analytics is all set up. Fantastic. Let's go and double check that analytics account. So this is looking good. Let's go to the real-time dashboard just quickly. I'm going to open up an incognito browser and we'll go to the winter camps. I'll move this. That's going to load up in just a second. I'll move that off screen. And what I'm also going to do at the same time, in fact, I'll bring that back on screen, because what we'll now do is enable our tag plugin. And hey, now only thing which is strange is that has loaded a couple of times. So I think I know why that is. I'm going to get our head of analytics to look at that, because this is again a strange setup. We're doing this website in parts, but effectively you've now just seen how to set up the tags. And I just found out why. Because I typed in winter camps and the 404 was loading twice. But on the correct URL, which is why the page is now loading, all of this is here and it's working perfectly. No problems, nothing else to do. That was record time, a 5-minute total setup time for all of the Google Suite. Amazing. And just to be 100% clear it's working, you can see I'm based in Cancun, Mexico, and I have accessed it via my desktop and via my mobile. So it's all tracking correctly.